Hi all, this is Indu Malik, a counselor at Fertility Dost. I'm going to talk about psychological effects of PCOS. As we know, polycystic ovary syndrome is very common chronic condition. Basically, it is an endocrine disorder which causes hormonal imbalance. Mainly, it disrupts three areas of women's health: metabolic health, fertility and reproductive health, and psychological health. I would like to draw your attention on the psychological burden of PCOS. PCOS has a variety of symptoms. Due to its complex nature, the signs and symptoms also vary from mild to severe in a different age group of women. As hormones and emotions are connected, so it also takes toll on the mental health of the woman. Apart from biological consequences, PCOS also has psychosocial implications. Mood swings or emotional instability and irritability is very common in women with PCOS. They themselves don't understand their mood patterns. People think they are moody or grumpy. Due to hyperandrogenism, women with PCOS feels less feminine and it has lot of dermatological issues also like excessive facial hair growth, acne, or male pattern hair loss, etc. Even weight gain and obesity is also very common. All this leads to body dissatisfaction, which causes poor self esteem and low confidence. Sometimes women or girls with PCOS face appearance related challenges. They feel people are gazing at them and they avoid social gathering and mingling and prefer to remain isolated. Despite putting every effort, they are not able to reduce weight, which becomes frustrating. Sometimes obesity and not able to reduce weight leads to excessive anger issues, even hostility too, as they start comparing themselves with thinner women. Women with PCOS seems confused what to eat, what to not eat. So lots of emotional eating disorder is also seen. Anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, binge eating disorder, and night eating syndrome is very common. Women with PCOS feel fatigue, lethargy, due to which sometimes they complain excessive daytime sleepiness or they may be higher risk of sleep disturbance due to insulin resistance or excessive anxiety. They might have low libido too, as earlier mentioned issues impact their sex life and relationship with partners and with others also. If they are planning to conceive and not getting success, then it is another havoc in life. As PCOS is known lifestyle disorder too, then they start blaming themselves and become self-critical, which leads to self-sabotaging behavior like procrastination, poor self-care, and negative self-talk and other unhealthy lifestyle patterns. So we can see the psychological effect of PCOS can be very devastating for women and might impair their emotional and social functioning. Research has evidences that women with PCOS are more prone to depression, bipolar, anxiety disorder, and other mental health conditions. Hence, the psychological impact of PCOS become major concerns in the assessment and management of PCOS. The best part of PCOS is that it can be managed and conception can happen successfully by taking good medical treatment along with multidisciplinary approach. So be optimistic. You just need to take extra healthy care of yourself physically, mentally, emotionally. I wish you all the best. Thank you.